Did you know? If Earth had two moons, life as we know it might never have existed? We take our moon for granted. But what if it had a sister? What if, every night, we saw two glowing giants in the sky, casting twin shadows, pulling at oceans, and twisting time itself? This isn't just a pretty picture, it's a completely different world. So, what if the universe had two moons? A second moon might sound harmless, maybe even romantic. But adding just one more moon, it would ripple through everything. From gravity to tides, from calendars to evolution, this one change would rewrite the rules of our planet. And surprisingly, it might have already almost happened. Let's explore what life under two moons could look like. Our moon isn't just a beautiful nightlight. It stabilizes Earth's tilt, controls the tides, and even affects our biological rhythms. Without it, Earth might wobble chaotically, causing extreme climate shifts. Our moon keeps Earth calm, steady, balanced. So imagine adding another gravitational anchor. Balance breaks. Let's imagine a second moon, about half the size of the first. Where would it orbit? Too close, and it might crash into Earth. Too far, and it could be pulled away by the Sun. Placed just right, the two moons might orbit together in harmony, but they'd constantly tug at each other. And us. Double gravitational forces mean more extreme tides, floods, faster erosion, coastal changes. And over time, even the length of our days might shift. Imagine looking up. One massive moon, full and bright. A second, slightly dimmer, glowing nearby or far off. Some nights they both rise together, other nights, they chase each other across the sky. Lunar eclipses? Twice as often. Moon shadows overlapping. A constant cosmic dance above your head. Beautiful? Yes. But nature doesn't change without consequences. Animals have evolved for billions of years under the influence of one moon. Tidal rhythms shape migration, breeding, even sleep cycles. Add a second moon. Tidal patterns become chaotic. New predator-prey cycles emerge. Marine life could struggle to adapt. And humans? Our circadian rhythms could shift. Sleep disorders, mood cycles, and fertility patterns might all change. We might not even evolve to be the same species. Stronger and competing tidal pulls would do more than move water. They would stretch Earth's crust, triggering more earthquakes and volcanoes. Ocean currents would shift. Storms could intensify. Global weather would follow new, unpredictable lunar rhythms. With Earth's axis destabilized, even ice ages and heat waves could come in erratic bursts. In short, climate becomes chaos. Human civilization was shaped by lunar cycles. Our months? Moon-based. Festivals, harvests, religions, all tied to one moon's predictable rhythm. With two moons? Calendars might be 20, 30, or even 40 days long. Lunar alignments could become sacred. Or feared. Myths would flourish. Imagine full moon madness, twice as often. Some cultures might worship one moon over the other. Others might see them as gods battling in the sky. Even our language and timekeeping would evolve differently. Believe it or not, Earth may have once had a second moon. Some theories suggest a smaller companion moon formed during the same collision that made our main moon. It might have orbited for millions of years, until it crashed into the larger moon, leaving behind strange lunar scars we see today. So while we only see one moon now, a two-moon Earth may not be pure fiction. It might be a memory written in craters. What if the universe gave us two moons? It wouldn't just change the sky, it would transform the planet, and every creature on it. Oceans would rise and rage, seasons would warp, civilizations would adapt, or collapse. And you'd be a different kind of human. Two moons in the sky isn't just poetic, it's powerful. And in the grand scheme of the cosmos, maybe not so impossible. Until next time, keep looking up. The universe might still surprise you.